Hey guys, so there are multiple reasons why your Ninja Creami is not spinning. I was looking here on Reddit, and if you have this, what you need to do first is that Ninja Creami is not a blender, so you shouldn't put it put there. You know, where you're gonna have like strawberries, the mango or something. You need to blend first the fruits into the whole mixture. That's the first that you want to do. You get the blended fruits if you want a uniform print. I personally enjoy having the bits of strawberry yogurt on the outside mix, but if you prefer otherwise, blend first. So this is something that you want to do. And you can also leave the pin out for 15-20 minutes, then run the outside of the pin. You see hot water to loosen everything of the sides. So these are the things that is like really important, that is like if it's not spinning, what you need to do. And have a great day and goodbye.